Hey guys, Instagram users have been reporting a black background on their app for the past few weeks. The issue seems to be with the previous update and many of the people are unhappy about it. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to fix the black background on Instagram using the simple workarounds. So keep watching this video to learn how to get your Instagram back to the normal. First of all, you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of the Instagram. So to update your Instagram, you have to open up the Google Play Store and here you have to search for Instagram. Now at the right of the Instagram, it will either says opens or update. If it says open, it means that you are using the latest version of Instagram application, or if it says update, you need to update the Instagram application. So in order to fix bugs and glitches that might be caused by the last update, you have to update it to the latest version because Instagram might have fixed those issues in the latest version. After that, you have to go back and open the phone settings. In the settings, you have to scroll down and you have to click on app management. Here you have to go to app and you have to search for Instagram. After opening the Instagram, you have to click on the storage and cache. Here you have to clear all of the data of Instagram. In this way, all of the corrupted files that are associated with the app would be deleted and hopefully your issue will be resolved. If your issue doesn't resolve, you have to uninstall the Instagram app and then again install it from Google Play Store and then your issue will be solved. But if it didn't fix your issue, now let's move to the next solution. So for the solution, you have to open up the phone settings and you have to go to display and brightness. Here, if the dark theme of your phone has been enabled, you simply have to disable it, and after that your issue of the black screen on Instagram will be resolved. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.